Rockabye.
And that's him.
Rockabye.
Justin, that's a lizard.
Yes.
Man, didn't get you in the house now, Romina.
If he just jumps out, he's
Can go put him.
Go put him down.
He's alive, so.
Come here, come and see. Just put my camera.
I thought I killed him.
Man, jump in the bed now. Go put him with Justin. Go on.
Put
Put him outside. And welcome back to my channel. So today, guys, cleaning is going on in the house, but I'm not the one doing it. So Junior and I went to the supermarket, and when we got back, the kids, they're at home today. Today is Friday, and they decide to do some cleaning up. So Jessica is over here cleaning. This is when you know you have good kids, guys. When you're on the road and they decide to do the cleaning for you. So let me show you. Jordan is wiping down table.
I wiped on it already.
You wipe it down already? Moya, what were you doing?
Mopping.
Moya was mopping. Justin sweeping. So look at. So why not put those things on the floor?
It's Jordan.
You see what I'm saying? At least come on, take them up, Moya. They're not supposed to be on the floor.
Jordan, you have to use it.
So Jordan did the table.
Use something and wipe them off.
You have to wipe them off first. Go get the dish towel, hush. And wipe them off. So Justin, you dip it into something and like mommy do and sweep off the carpet.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just sweep off this one and that one.
Okay.
Just put things on it. Wow.
No, that's what I mean. Mommy, can you eat my ice cream for the clean about?
When you finish doing the cleaning. So Jessica did her room already.
I'm so tired.
Justin did the carpet. Maya said she's tired. She's working like crazy.
I'm tired too.
So they're trying, guys. They're helping mommy and daddy.
Is mommy and daddy even helping us?
Mommy, they're not helping you. So this is how Jordan setting out the table.
You're just even videoing.
I'm helping, I'm videoing.
That's not helping.
That's not helping.
That's videoing.
Who is doing the bathroom?
No one.
Oh, you don't start the bathroom yet?
No.
Okay. Yeah?
Smell like anyone could do the bathroom.
The mop smell like it need washing out though.
I told you guys to wash out
The mop smell, don't mind. How is the mop? The mop need washing out. When Justin finish. No, you need to wash out with some disinfectant. It smell.
I told you guys to wash out the mouth. Told them to wash out the mouth.
John, what you doing? You're doing clothes. Junior is going away again, guys. He's going to St. Mary, so he's packing the stuff that he's going to carry with him. His work clothes and his clothes to use. I was not planning on doing a cleaning video. Maya, hold on. I was not planning on doing a cleaning video, guys, but it seems like we're going to have to do a cleaning video today.
Right.
What I was planning on doing only was just to do the fridge. But everybody decided to do some work in the house, so... Sorry, Maya, just in sweeping.
I'm just in a sweep and walking.
You're sweeping and walking at the same time. John, mind that over there. Careful, stay right there. You finish sweeping just in
off the carpets.
No, you don't sweep off the carpet. You have to fold them when you sweep them off because they're going to walk back on them.
Oh.
Wait, Jordan, wait.
Just my toes.
Fold that one that Jessica is on to Justin. You sweep it off already?
Yeah, I did, but she's on it.
Then ask her to move so you can fold it.
Let's go now.
Jordan, move it completely. Fold, Jordan, fold it. Fold it in two. Shall you want soup?
Yeah, soup and something.
What? Oh, the chicken. Okay.
Mama, why are you not eating these?
A peanut?
Yeah.
Hey, Jordan, you take gone, eh?
I don't know eating these.
So guys, this was so nice of the kids to do the cleaning for me today, even though I had to take over at one point and and finish up for them, but they tried. They did a good job. Yes, guys, I have to give all of them they're big up because they did an excellent job.
I begin to
say what you wanna say to me now.